In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about managing tickets in Zendesk support, ensuring you and your team can handle them like seasoned pros. Efficient ticket management is crucial for maintaining customer satisfaction and streamlining your support processes. We'll discuss everything from setting up workflows to prioritizing, routing, collaborating, and finally, closing tickets with precision. Let's start by talking about the first step, which is viewing and picking up tickets. Your agents can access tickets through views, which are predefined or customized lists that help organize tickets requiring attention. It's a good idea to create or utilize a view specifically for unassigned or new tickets to avoid any tickets sitting idle. If your system has play mode enabled, this can be a great tool to cycle through tickets methodically, making sure none are overlooked. Moving on, the next step is to triage and prioritize tickets. When a ticket initially lands, it's important to review the requester information, the subject, the content, and the channel used. This will help you determine the urgency of the issue. Assign the ticket to the appropriate group or agent and update its status, tags, and priority level accordingly. Consistent use of standard statuses such as new, open, pending, and solved allows you to track progress efficiently. Leverage triggers and automations to automatically route and escalate tickets if necessary, such as when a ticket remains unresolved for a certain number of hours. Now let's talk about collaboration and working the ticket. This involves adding comments, which can be public for requesters or internal for agents, thus ensuring clear communication. Utilize macros, which are pre-written responses or actions, to maintain consistency in your replies or actions across similar tickets. It's also beneficial to tag tickets, use custom fields, and link them to users or organizations to capture all necessary context. If a ticket requires further attention, don't hesitate to reassign or escalate it to more senior personnel or teams. As we move towards resolution, update the ticket status to solved once the issue is addressed. If follow-up action is necessary, it's often wise to leave the ticket status as pending or open. And, when the ticket is fully completed with no future action needed, mark it as closed if your workflow includes this option. Make sure to always inform the customer about the resolution and any next steps to ensure clarity and closure. Finally, it's time to report and review. Utilize dashboards or explore to analyze ticket volumes, response times, backlog, and agent performance. Keep a close eye on ticket statuses, any breaches of service level agreements, and pending or unassigned queues. Regularly review your views, workflows, and any tickets that were reopened or escalated to continuously refine and improve your processes. By following these steps and adhering to best practices, you can manage tickets effectively in Zendesk support, ensuring smooth operations and happy customers. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further guidance.